3 months ago, I decided to like go into AI. I mean AI development to like just explore. Just I had like curiosity around it. I wanted to like know how AI system works, and this is 3 months already into it. And in this video, I just want to share what I've learned so far, and basically what I've been able to achieve in the last 3 months. And coming from a background in software development, though I already like had experience working with softwares before, but though I wasn't able to like get a professional experience, it was basically me just doing like personal projects and learning software on my own. But I wasn't able to like get an actual job working as a software developer before I decided to like take this journey. And though I actually wanted to like quit tech at the point, but I just decided to like do this AI thing as like a last chance or like a last try and take. So I don't know why I wasn't able to get the job, but I just decided to like do AI to see how far I could go with it. And in this video, I just wanted to talk about what exactly I've learned so far within the 3 months of me being into AI. Though I've not been consistently posting um, videos on this channel, but hopefully in coming months I'll be able to like be more consistent. So the reason for this is basically I got a job. I have like a full time job, though it's not related to like tech. I just had to like get the job to like be able to survive basically because I mean I'm with my parents and I need to like get a source of income for myself. I can't just be dependent on my parents. So it's actually like conflicting with me learning me like improving my skills as a software developer and learning AI stuff. So in the first months, I just decided to like brush up my skills in Python. I just learned basically Python syntax, how Python. I mean, I already know how to write Python code, but I just had to like brush up my understanding in Python, understand the data types and everything. And then I moved further to like NumPy, Pandas. I mean, those libraries that are essential for like data analytics, visualization, even Math Plus Lab. I also tried that too, and I had to like start with that because that was the foundation of AI. So after that, I try to build simple projects around them. I also advanced to using like regression model, linear regression also to like do like housing price prediction and stuff like that. And then as I advanced into like building more complex projects, like I decided to like test. Basically, I was like, okay, so I was during when I started actually, I knew I didn't want to just watch tutorials. I didn't just want to follow tutorials. I just wanted to like be more practical on it. I don't want to follow tutorials. I just want to build more projects and learn while building those projects. So that was my intention basically. So I tried as much as possible to build simple project. When I like try to like learn when I learn a concept, I try to like build a simple project around it. So I tried to like build as much project I could to be able to like solidify my knowledge on a particular concept or a particular topic, something like that. So and then after like the basics, the whole NumPy pandas thing, I decided to like I built a lot of projects under those stuffs, but then I advanced into building a tweet sentiments analyzer. And I remember I think I used was which model did I use for that project? I can't remember now, but I know I think it was linear regression. Was it linear regression? Yes, it was linear regression I used. I trained a linear regression model to be able to like classify tweets on positive and negative. And then I remember I deployed that project on Streamlight Cloud. So that was like my first project, my first deployed AI project. And I remember when I was doing it, I had a lot of issues, especially with hosting the model because the model file was very large. And I remember when I was trying to like push it to GitHub, I was having issue to like push it to GitHub. And at a point, I guess GitHub was not seeing the file sometimes because it was too large for it to like I don't know what happened, but I had to like I had to like put the file on Google Drive and then configure it to like work with the Streamlines Cloud. I had to do some coding stuff. Though with the help of ChatGPT, though ChatGPT actually played a huge role in my learning process because I don't have a mentor to like ask for any issue. If I have any issue, there's nobody to like run, so no mentor, nobody, only ChatGPT that was there. And though I had the tutorial I was following, but I mean there was no mentor also, so I had to like use ChatGPT most of the time to help me out when I face issues. And then after that project, after the street sentiment analyzer, I wasn't really able to continue the way I wanted, like continue learning the way I wanted, because I started working. I had a full time job, and it was conflicting my learning process. And most times I'm always tired from the job, so I couldn't like continue my learning for a while. I had to stop for a while, and then I went back again. And then after that, I decided to like, okay, I wanted to like see how I could like make money in AI. I don't know. I was just thinking of something. So I was like, okay, let me just build like a model that can generate YouTube scripts for me. So that was how I was able to like build this project. And then the project was basically a model that could generate YouTube scripts for me for a faceless YouTube channel. And then I remember I trained I downloaded GPT-2 on my system, and then trained it on some YouTube video scripts. Though the issue with this project was that the the data I used to train the model was not enough. So the model was not quality. It was not like giving out good outputs. I don't know if you get me. So it was not giving out good outputs because the input was actually like bad. So this actually like made me realize that AI is basically garbage in, garbage out. The better data you put, you give to it, the more it gives you better outputs. So I realized that okay, I wasn't able to like, I didn't deploy it, I didn't talk about, I didn't like go further. And I just like tried it, basically just like a test and to see how it's going to be. I remember when I was like training this model, it was very crazy because I spent almost like 2 days just training the chat GPT-2 model on my system. Though I know my system is very slow, so I guess that should be one of the things that contributed to it. So that was another experience for me to learn. And then I remember I was trying to like build also a model that could like speak Nigerian accents, because there's no like any any voice model that speaks Nigerian accent. So I was like, okay, I could build something around that. So I decided to like try it. I tried it, but faced a lot of issue. ChatGPT couldn't even help me. I tried, but it couldn't really help me. The suggestion, I was just facing a lot of errors and issues. I tried using what do you call it now, Google Colab, but it still didn't work. I spent a lot of data, download different models. I'm sure I spent over 20 gigabytes. 20 gigabytes. I've spent a lot of money on data, but I mean, it's still part of the learning process. So, yeah, I'm not actually regretting, and I actually like, I'm happy I was able to like at least pass through this process. So, I don't want to make this video too long. So, that's basically what I've learned so far. So, looking forward to this channel. I'm looking forward to like trying I don't know. Instead of me just like coding, I'm looking forward to just like making use of API more, rather than just training rather than training a model from scratch. I rather just use like an API to like integrate into my soft system and my software, and just like use it instead of just like training from scratch. But the issue with this is that I don't have money to pay for the API, so that's why I was like going to the more cheaper option, which is actually like very not very efficient, because I mean it costs a lot to train models. So the best option is just to just use an API. And also I'm looking forward to like seeing how I could use my skills to help businesses to integrate AI into their system. So I'm also like looking forward to like probably going into using no code or low code tools. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking actually, because I'm hoping maybe in the future I could own like an AI automation agency that would help businesses solve. I will help businesses integrate AI system into their AI solution into their system. So that's what I'm thinking. But I have to like find a way to create a voice model that speaks Nigerian accent. If I want to do this in Nigeria, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm just overthinking, sha, but I have to like just focus now. Like looking forward now, I also just focus more on trying to like know how to like, no, it's not like I don't know how to use API. I mean, I have experience using API in the past, coming from my background in software development, but I've not really like used ChatGPT API or other AI APIs. So I just want to like focus more on using those APIs. But the only issue I might face is paying for those APIs, because I might not have the money to pay. But I don't know. I'll just have to like look into it first and see how expensive it is. Probably something I'll be able to do. So that's the what I'm looking forward to. The future, paying for those APIs and just trying to use those APIs, see what's solution I could solve and see what kind of solution I could actually like solve for businesses, especially in Nigeria, Nigerian, let's say Nigerian market, so Nigerian economy, whatever, ecosystem, whatever. So basically, just use my skills in AI to see how I can help businesses integrate AI into their AI solutions to their system. So that's what I'm looking at for the future right now, and that's it basically. I don't want to make this video too long. And that's it basically. And any other thing, I think that would be all for now. So I'll keep you guys updated with any other thing I'm passing through. I'm hoping I'll be more consistent with this channel because I have a 9 to 5 job now, and it's actually like conflicting with me learning and also me posting consistently. But I have to continue what I've started. So basically, I'll just have to find a way to integrate to like infuse into my time. Just no matter how hard it will be, I just have to keep trying to like keep posting consistently. But anyways, that'll be the end for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate seeing you in the next one. Peace.